Hey everyone, the Wizard of Wood here, Everett Abrams, and today I'm here with Deck Restoration Plus at a job my company's worked on, and we did this log cabin restored with all of our products. So what we used was our restorer and our brightener to bring the wood back to a nice bright natural color, and then we went back over with our maple shade brown, our Deck Restoration Plus maple shade brown tone. That's a medium brown tone, and as we get a little closer we can see that we can still see all the grain through the wood. It's a little darker. The logs are a little darker with the maple shade brown. Our Morristown brown would have made this really dark brown. It would have been more of an unnatural type of look. And the Seneca brown was just a little light for what the customer wanted. So we went with this maple shade brown on these logs. Then we also put the chinking in. And if you look closer, there is chinking in here. And this is the synthetic chinking. And we used the brown tone. Which again, that's what they wanted. They didn't want to tan or offset the color, although they wanted to more blend in. But it is a little different, but it is the darker color of the chinking. Now the chinking weatherproofs that and keeps the air and the rain and bugs and everything else out of it. So here we used our maple shade brown and did this beautiful log cabin. Again, Deck Restoration Plus, deck and wood stain, maple shade brown. Out here and give you a better view of the whole cabin in the background. And you know, we did the deck, front of the house all the way around, chinked it, and everything came up really nice. So this is what we can do with your home with our products. We can restore the wood, make it look beautiful again, and then add the maple shade brown or any of our beautiful stains to the logs, and you'll still be able to see the grain through and preserve your wood and extend the life of it. Our deck and wood stain is a water base that works like an oil. It penetrates, as you saw. It was in the wood. It wasn't on top of the wood like a lot of water bases. So we'll get that fallacy out of the way, that all water bases are film forming, because they're not. DRP, Deck Restoration Plus products and stains are definitely not. As far as restoring the wood though, you really don't get better products than what we have. We're just not bleaching wood like a lot of contractors do. Bleach is not really good at restoring wood. It's good at keep maintaining when you clean it, to get rid of the mold, mildew and stuff on the surface. But as far as restoring the wood, there's better products. And we have a whole array of products that will restore the wood. So check it out. Anyway, www.deckandwoodstain.com. You'll see our store, you'll see our products, you'll see some informational videos. There's a lot going on there. Check it out, and hope you enjoyed this video. And again, the Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain maple shade brown on this log cabin, completely restored with our products and then our stain. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, telling you that this job and this cabin is Wizard of Wood approved.